which you will see the uses of those formulas in your daily life. Before starting our activity, first tell me, do you know what is the formula of area of cuboid? Stand up, Afri.
Yes, ma'am. The formula of total surface area of cuboid is 2 bracket LB plus BH plus HL divided by.
Good, sit down. Good, sit down. So students, let's start our activity with our first question. So students, our first question is, a box with measures 36 cm multiplied by 16 cm multiplied by 24 cm is to be covered with the cloth fully except bottom. How many meters of cloth of width 32 cm is required to cover 100 such boxes? Children, do you know how to do this question? Okay. Stand up, Riyaji. Come here.
So here we have given cuboidal box with measures 36 cm, 16 cm and 24 cm. And this is to be covered with the cloth of width 32 cm. Let's take an example of a cuboidal box. So this is a cuboidal box and we have to cover it with a cloth. And the width of cloth is 32 cm. When we cover it with a cloth, it will cover its 5 faces but not the bottom. So let's do the answer and find the area of box. So this is the formula and now let's put the values. This is the area of box. Now we will find the area of the length of cloth. We will do area of cloth is equals to area of box, and the area of cloth will be length into breadth because our cloth is in a rectangular shape and area of rectangle is length into breadth. Now we will put the values of length and breadth. We don't know the length, so we will write length as it is. But the breadth is 32 as given in the question. Now we will divide it. And our length of cloth is 96 centimeter. Now we will find the length of cloth for 100 boxes. For finding length for 100 boxes, we have to multiply 96 with 100. And our answer will be 9600 centimeters. But the question is asking for in meters, so we will convert centimeter to meters. And 96 is our final answer. So as it is given in the question that Neha is painting a cuboidal hall. So we can consider this hall as a cuboidal hall. So first of all, we have to find the area of this cuboidal hall.
So as it is given in the question that Neha is only painting the 4 sides and ceiling and she is neglecting the bottom. So that's why here we have subtracting LB. So now let's put the value and find the area of this hall. So after putting the values, here is our area of this cuboidal hall. So now we can consider this bottle as a can, and here as it is given in the question that 1 can of paint it covered 100 meter square. So we have to find that how many cans are required to cover 500 meter square. Here this is our answer. We need 5 cans to paint 500 meter square.
So here it is given a road roller of radius 42 centimeter and height 100 centimeter, and it takes 750 revolutions to cover the road. So we have to find the area of the road. We all know that the road roller is in the shape of cylinder, so we can take this cylinder as an example. So when we roll this cylinder on the table, it only covers the curved part. So we will find the curved surface area of the road roller. This is the CSA of cylinder. Now we will put the values. So this is the area of 1 revolution. We will find the area of 750 revolutions. So this is the area of the road covered by road roller in 750 revolutions.
So, as it is given in the question, a bottle is in the form of cylinder whose radius is 1.5 cm and length is 700 cm. The radius of the cup is 3 cm and the height is 35 cm. And we have to find the number of cups filled with water. So, we will take this bottle as example of cylinder. Now we will find the volume of this bottle because the volume of a bottle is equals to the capacity of water the bottle is containing. So now let's find its volume. So this is the volume of bottle. Now we will take this cup as the example of cup. So when we pour water in this cup, it will take the shape of this cup. So now we will find the volume of this cup because the volume of a cup is equal to the amount of water it contains. So let's find its volume. So this is the volume of cup. Now for finding number of cups filled by the water, we have to divide the volume of bottle with volume of cups. So 5 cups are used to fill water.
So as it is given in the question that it is a cuboidal box of length 60 centimeter, breadth 54 centimeter and height of 30 centimeter and a cube of 6 centimeter. So we can take the example of this cuboidal box. So when we put this cube into the cuboidal box, it takes its volume part. So we can find the volume of cuboidal box and then find the volume of cubical box. This is the formula of volume of cuboidal box. Let's put the values. So this is the volume of the cuboidal box. Let's find the volume of cubical box. So this is the volume of the cubical box. Now to find the number of cubes that are placed inside the cuboidal box, we have to divide the volume of cuboidal box by the volume of cube. Fifty cubes are placed inside the cuboidal box. If you like this video, please share and subscribe our channel.